And in our top business story, Emirates NBD has launched its first pilot blockchain network for banking services, which is a first for any private sector entity in the UAE. Emirates NBD accomplished its first pilot blockchain network after it successfully completed a proof of concept blockchain network for international remittances and open account trade finance in partnership with ICICI Bank Limited, which is India's largest private sector bank by consolidated assets, and Infosys Finacle. Commenting on the new initiative, His Highness Sheikh Ahmed bin Zayed Al Maktoum, the chairman of Emirates NBD, was quoted saying that their pilot project demonstrates blockchain's immense potential to change how organizations and governments conduct business, and they are looking forward to further collaboration with the public sector and their private peers to further the adoption of this type of technology in the country. It was revealed that the bank is currently engaged with trialling blockchain technology across multiple banking and payment services, with the aim of significantly reducing transaction costs and time. The use case scenarios range from customer-facing and government transactions to internal systems to harness blockchain's exceptional potential to simplify, secure, and automate business processes. The UAE is set to establish the world's first Shariah-compliant trade bank, with the aim of strengthening its status as a hub for global Islamic economy. That's according to the Dubai Islamic Economy Development Center. The DIEDC was quoted saying that His Excellency Sultan bin Zayed Al Mansouri, the Minister of Economy, and the Department of Economic Development are in the advanced stages of discussions with the UAE Central Bank to obtain approval for a wholesale Islamic banking license for the Emirates Trade Bank. It was reported that talks are being led by a six-man committee under the chairmanship of His Excellency Mohammed Al Gharqawi, the Minister of Cabinet Affairs and the Future, and appointed by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai and the Chairman of the Executive Council. In a statement, the centre was quoted saying that the new bank will fulfil Dubai's strategic goal of supporting the Islamic financial sector and integrating investments from this domain towards doubling UAE trade flows by 2020, which stood at around 1.4 trillion dirhams in 2014. DED officials were quoted saying that the new bank can revolutionise trade in halal products, while also enhancing trade finance between countries in the Arabian Gulf region, in Central Asia and in Africa, making it a new source of liquidity for trading between Islamic countries. The value of the global Islamic economy last year was valued at $1.9 trillion, and global trade in halal food alone is expected to approach $2 trillion by 2020. An increasing number of consumers in the UAE are interested in buying real estate property. That's according to new data revealed by compareitforme.com. New statistics issued by the Mortgage Finance Comparison website reveal that there was a 119.5% increase in the number of people searching for mortgages in the third quarter of this year, as compared to the same period last year. The report also indicated that there is a strong willingness among UAE consumers to take on finance in order to take advantage of the prevailing buyer-friendly property market in the country. According to a recent study conducted by a UAE-based real estate firm, over half of Dubai's tenants are looking to buy their own residence over the next 12 months. And out of these, the report highlighted that 62% were leaning towards buying to own rather than buying to let. When it comes to securing home loans, new statistics from Compare It For Me reveal that in the third quarter of this year, a 28% reduction in the number of people looking for mortgages was witnessed, indicating that users are aiming to borrow from banks with which they hold a salary transfer account. With industry reports suggesting a surge in vehicle sales in the GCC region as high as 25%. A global supplier of liquid and powder coatings, Axalta, inaugurated their new regional training centre today. Located in Jabza South, the all-new centre was officially inaugurated by Axalta's global CEO and comes at a time that the company also marks its 150th year anniversary. The company supplies liquid paints of popular brands such as Sandox, Color Mesa and Voltatex, which are used in almost all leading car brands. Commenting during the launch of the new facility, the CEO stated that the move should allow the company to strengthen its presence in the region, particularly with the refinishing sector that involves vehicle repair and repaint. A new report by Carmudi ranked the UAE as the fastest growing market for vehicle sales during the first 8 months of 2015, which according to Axalta has fueled a demand for better services.
Yeah, what we find is that as the region grows, we continue to see more technical demands. The consumers want to know more. Our customers need more training, whether it's lightweighting of vehicles, whether it's more composites, whether it's more complex coatings. And we feel like it's just the ability to bring that technology and put it in the hands of the consumer here on a real-time basis is a good step.
The opening of the new facility also means reduced costs for vehicle repair garages across the country, with the opportunity to be trained by Axalta experts based in the UAE. With sustainability also a major discussion point around the world, company representatives also stated that the opening will allow a better understanding of the new waterborne coatings, which are known for their low to zero volatile organic compound emissions.
What we do what we train our end users is to make sure that the whole preparation is done properly before they apply the paint, as well as how to mix and match the colors, and of course how to make sure that the application is also proper. So this is what's happening in our training center, and of course all that is to make sure that the end user have a productive system, and it has a system that is environmentally safe. This is our system, which we have the water system, and to make sure also that they are having a treatment to the cars that can last for the whole life of the car and not to be faded or color changes as the car is moving and being used in couple.